There is really simple way to generate images and convert them into videos. You can create AI trailers, AI films, short stories just for fun. All these things can be done completely for free. It just takes few minutes. So let's dive right in. Either YouTube or TikTok, in any platform, creative stories go viral. Even adults watch them with their kids. More importantly, life lesson short stories are caught by young generation. They are loving to watch them. Nowadays, using AI, it's so simple to generate story ideas and visuals. But it's better to have a story idea on your mind. If you don't have an idea about the story, just ask ideas for a story from ChatGPT. Okay, let's see how it works. First, I asked for story ideas that gives life lessons. It gave some ideas, but those were not fitting for a YouTube video. So, I asked new ideas. From those, I picked one topic. It's island harmony. And I requested to describe key parts in them as images. I asked 2 images for one key part. If you want to see these ChatGPT responses, just pause the video. Otherwise, skip this part. Then asked to extend those description as AI prompt. You can see ChatGPT output. That's what I get from the ChatGPT. Then search as Leonardo AI. Here, it mentioned that no credit card needed. It's totally free. You can get 150 credits for a day in free account. Create an account. You can create account either using Apple, Google or Microsoft. I already have an account, so I just click on launched app. It also directed to same page as previously. Here my login email and password. Just sign in. Okay, here it has several image models. I choose Leonardo diffusion. Then go to ChatGPT and copy the prompt. And paste it here. From here you can choose number of images to generate. In free account you have totally 150 credits for a day. Next day you will get 150 credits again. If you want more, you can create more accounts with different mails. Then you can get more than 150 credits for a day. When changing number of images, here vary the credits for generate. Here you can add negative prompts. It means avoid things in generating image. If you don't want to see people in your image, you can add negative prompt as people. Click on generate. Here 3 images cost 17 credits. I asked for island with palm trees and sunlight. Okay, it generated our image. There are 3 images. You can pick one from those. Likewise, you can generate all the images using those prompts. Download image from here. Get mouse pointer onto the image, then download arrow will be appeared. Images will be downloaded into the download folder. Okay, now go to Pika Labs. It will convert your image into a simple video clip. Join beta. I already have an account, so it directly connect into Discord server. Describe yourself and do these steps. In Getting Started channel, there is introduction to how to animate your image and how to generate videos. If you want, you can read it and get some idea for a better prompt. To generate, go to one of these generate channel. In this chat, enter \. Then you can see the commands. You can either create video or animate an image. I am gonna animate image. Click here and choose your image from the location. Now press enter. Hang on with your prompt, otherwise you will miss it. Here we go. Here is our video. Let's play. Okay, it's looked good. If you don't like this video, you can regenerate new video using this circular arrow symbol. Here you can download it. Okay, it's pretty nice. Likewise, to generate all the video clips using images that generated from ChatGPT and Leonardo. To edit those clips and create the story, we use CapCut. It's very easy to use. Now go to ChatGPT and generate subtitles for story. Here my generated subtitles. Okay, now we are going to add subtitles and voiceover using CapCut. CapCut have feature text to speech and also it have auto caption. Okay, go to text, select default and drag and drop it onto the video clip. Now enter or paste your subtitle. Choose style, change the font size and position it. Now animate it. Click on text to speech. There are various voices here. I choose male storyteller. Click on start reading. It will generate our voiceover. Likewise, we have to generate subtitles and voiceover for all the clips, one by one, separately.
As the story ends, this is a lesson of unity.
If you want to add background music, just go to YouTube Audio Library. Various copyright-free audios are there. I am gonna get some sound effect for rain and thunder. Go to sound effects and search with term rain and thunder. Download from here, then go to CapCut and edit it into the video. Okay, let's see how it looks like.
In a world untouched, where golden sunlight paints the canvas of a pristine island,
This is just an idea about how to create a short story. By following this way, you can create more attractive videos.
Stand divided. The sky weeps in symphony with their worries. Challenges converge, and characters seek refuge from the impending storm. Yet, amidst the tempest, determination prevails. Faces come together, crafting shelter with palm leaves and branches, showcasing the strength born from diversity. They build the shelter together. Also, Storm has gone. Laughter echoes around a campfire, a celebration of success as unity. As the story ends, this is a lesson of unity.
Like the video, subscribe my channel, click the bell icon and stay tuned with me.